I think we're all wearing masks. We're all performing for each other, aren't we? I'm very protective over my image and myself and my privacy. So I hope you don't take it personally, whoever's watching. I went to the Elam School of Fine Arts, taught by Peter Robinson, Ngahoia Harrison, Poata Alvi McCree, Michael Parikowhai, like, my gods, like, people I look up to heavily, and people I'm so thankful for. And my paintbrush was an extension of my finger, of my hand, of my arm, and I knew that I didn't need to reflect a precise image of the world back to itself. It's a world free of that, like, you have to be in this box. It's a world where this person can exist freely without persecution, without being catcalled or thrown, or just having insults thrown at them down the street, which is just somewhat of an experience that I'm used to whenever I choose to present myself like this. I'm very angry with how the state of this place is going, and just collectively as a species, it's so detrimental to this planet and to everything, all life on this planet. And it's not taken seriously enough, and it's not addressed enough, it's not genuinely embraced as a problem enough, and that is just something that I try to communicate through my work, through my mahi, is take this shit seriously. Take this seriously. It's, your grandkids aren't gonna have a planet, aren't gonna have a home if, it's,